Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Is my screen is visible? Can you please confirm the chat? Yeah. Everyone uploaded assignment. We'll do first 45 minutes or 1 hour. We'll do code. We'll do class. And then we'll review assignment. Okay. Then we'll review assignment. That is the task now. And Monday onwards, you should spend time in the lab. Okay. Everyone should be in the lab. Monday onwards after the class. So after 9 to 10:30, well, class is over, right? 9 to 10:30, then spend till at least 1 hour till 12 o'clock. Then go to hostel, go to room, have lunch, sleep, again study, like that. Yeah. Maintain time like that. This is for especially those who are freshers and those who are not doing job. Okay. So please spend your time in labs, clarify your doubts. Mentors will be available. Okay. Oh, still 40 members. 40 members are not doing, not done that. We'll do okay. Let's see. So we completed about last class try and exception method, right? Try and except methods. So you're good, try and exceptions. So everyone is good at try and exception. What is the main thing here is the code will run. Code will run which block, ma? In try block. Whenever the error will come, error handling in which block? Exception block. Error handling will in the exception block. So today we will do the conditional statements. The new topic is called conditional statements. Conditional statements. Conditional statements. Condition So Python is very, very important on the conditional statements. In that conditional statement, we already know that if and else concept. What is the concept, if and else concept. So if means if something is happened, if this is happened, so that is the answer. Otherwise, another one is the answer, kind of thing. So if like now World Cup matches are going now, right? Suppose like yesterday Pakistan lost, so no semi-final. If Pakistan win, there is a chance of go to semi-finals. Otherwise, there is a chance to go to home. We're making the statement like that. If suppose if Pakistan won the match, they have more chances. They have more chance to go to semi-final. Otherwise, they have more chance. They have more chance to go home. Now see the sentence. There are two conditions are there here. Either they won the match or they lost the match. Okay, they won the match or either. So if Pakistan won the match, they have more chances to go to semi-final. When we say otherwise, in this otherwise term, this is a normal English term. So this otherwise we are replacing with else. Otherwise we are replacing else. So if I study, I will pass. Otherwise, I will fail. Okay, that otherwise is nothing but else. Again, if I study, will pass. Otherwise will fail. Otherwise will fail. So again, that otherwise is nothing but what? Else. Otherwise again is nothing but else. So it is just a conditional approach, ma. So whatever you are doing, the code base, like starting days is the same, but the code now will run based on some conditions. Now the code will run based on some condition, like how it will see. Suppose a name equal to Python is there. A name equal to what is there, ma? Python. So your name is Python. Understood? Your name is what? Python. Now I want to make some condition. I want to make some condition on my name. Whenever the name equal to Python, so equal to Python, and then it is success. It is success. Otherwise, it will be fail. Otherwise, it will be fail. Now let's see here how we'll write. Look at the screen, ma. Suppose name equal to Python. Name equal to Python. Now, if we need to write, here you write the condition, ma. Here the condition. Again, colon. Condition, colon. Whenever colon is there, what will come, ma? Indentation. What will come? So enter, you will get some gap, and that is called indentation. That means if this condition is true, I am allowing to enter into my room. Suppose there is an office boy is there. What is doing? He is checking whether you fee paid or not, right? If the condition is true, then only he is allowed into the classroom. So this is a condition. If the condition is true, then only you do some statements here. You do some code here. Otherwise, if that condition is not true, that means automatically else state. For else, there is no need to provide condition here, because already one condition satisfy. If block will run, if that condition will fail, automatically it will go to which block, ma? Else block. Again, you will do different type of code here. Understood? If condition is satisfied, if block will run. Otherwise, condition will not satisfy. You no need to again mention the condition here. not equal to, that condition is not required, automatically it will run. Now let's see here. Name equal to Python if name equal to Python, if name equal to Python, then print one. If name equal to Python. So this is your initial point, ma. This is your initial point. Name equal to Python is your name, suppose is a name. It is a name. That is equal name equal to Python is a name. Now you are comparing this name is really equal to Python or not. What you are comparing, ma? What is the condition? Is the name really equal to Python or not? If the name is really equal to Python, then print what? One. Then print what? One. Tell me if name really equal to Python. Yes or no? Now understood what is a equal to 10 and what is a equal to 10. What is the difference between these two? That you need to understand first. A equal to 10 means what? Value 10 stored in a variable A. A variable A. That is the meaning, correct? And what is A equal to 10? We are comparing whether the value of A really equal to 10 or not. That is a comparison. A equal to 10 means what? We are comparing. A equal to 10 means we are assigning. Small single equal to is nothing but assign. Double equal means condition. Okay, single equal means what? Assign. Double equal to means what? Condition. That you need to clear. So this means assign. This means condition. Condition. It is a assign and it is a condition. Now let's see again here one more thing. Name equal to I provided Python. Now name equal to Python. Tell me what is the first answer, what is the second answer? What is the first answer? Name equal to Python means what? Python is a string, is stored in which variable? Name. What is the second one? So name equal to Python means now you replace with what? This name is nothing but what? Python only. Python equal to Python. So instead of writing that, we are writing what? Name. So first one is what? Assign. Second one is what? Condition. When I run this, what is the answer? You are asking condition. This condition is true or false? This condition is true or false? True. So answer is what? True. Answer is what? True. Because name is what here? Python. Suppose I am writing py. What is the meaning here called? Python equal to py. Is correct or wrong? False. It is a false. That means whenever the condition, that means I am writing if condition here, right? I am writing what here? Condition, then colon, then entering. What is indirectly it is meaning? Here meaning is if true. What is the condition is called? The condition is true. See, this is a condition. Name equal to what? Py. Either it might be true or it might be false. If it is true, then only you can enter inside the room, inside the block. If it is true, that means this true. This should be indirectly nothing but what? Condition. The condition internally what it is give? Either true it will give or false it will give. Either true it will give, false it will give. Whenever the condition is true, then only I am giving the permission to enter inside the if block. Okay, so in your mind, you need to understand whenever I am providing condition means what Python will think internally, true or false. True or false. It will understood that condition and internally it will think like that. Okay, this condition is true or this condition is false. That only Python will think only two terms, either true or false. That's all. Either true or false. Now that's why if you see here this code here, now first thing is what? Name Python is saved. Python is saved in a variable name, correct? Now we are checking what is the name really equal to Python or not. Here what happened immediately? This position internally become either true or false. That position. Understood? That position internally, Python internal will think what? If true or false. It will think like this. If true, like this. This will happen. If true or if false. Now that's why it will run as print 1. Understood now? So your understanding is whenever you need to write the condition, internally Python will think that is a true or false. Simple. It is a true or false. If it is true, then only it will give the permission. Otherwise, no permission. Otherwise, no permission. Yeah, note down this. Note down this. Name equal to Python. If name equal to Python, then print 1. Name equal to Python. Name equal to Python, then print 1. No, try and exception, the exception handling. Exception handling means only the exception handling means what? Only the error capture. Error capture. So whenever the error is there, then you are saying that my code should stop. My code should not stop. That you are saying. But here, based on conditions, you are performing your codes. Based on your conditions, you are performing the codes. Try and exception is different. Condition statement is different. It's look like similar, but not similar. Okay. Simple. Try and exception is nothing but exception handling. What is the meaning of exception handling? Error capture. Whenever the error is there, immediately it will go to the which block? Exception block. In your try block, 100 lines of code is there. In your try block, how many lines of code is there, ma? 100 lines. But at 50 line, you got error. At 50 line, you got error. Then what happened? First 49 lines will execute normally. And then immediately from 50 line, what it will go to the? It will go to the exception. Go to the exception. Off here, off there. Like that. So first 49 lines will be try block only will run. Correct. Whenever you error, you will see immediately it will go to which block? Exception block. Simple. It's very simple, ma. You are going to a straight road, some 5 kilometer distance. Immediately you seeing road block. Then what you will do? You will go choose the another road. That is called try and exception block. Try block code will run. Till when it run? Till whenever you get the error. Whenever you get the error, immediately you will drive the shift the drive. Where you will go? Exception block. So that is the try and exception. Now if and condition means what? The same code here, you are saying this. The same code here. Now I don't want to print 1. I want to some other code. I want to write anything. This is only condition. This is only condition. This is only condition I'm checking to enter into the block. After enter into the block, this is my wish. I can write anything inside it, right? I can write anything inside. I can write A equal to 10, B equal to 20, and print of A plus B also I can write. This you can write normally also. But here, what is the difference here? Based on some condition we are running here. Okay, you need to see the two parts of code. Whatever you learned till now, the same we are implementing everywhere. But this time, we are implementing based on the condition. If that condition is true, then only you do the addition program. Otherwise, don't do the addition program. Otherwise, don't do the addition program. Now what happened? 30 is the answer. Why 30 is the answer? You do write normally also 30 is the answer. Here also what is the answer? 30. But what is the difference here? Based on some condition, if condition is true, then only you will run. If condition is not false, if condition is not true, suppose I am providing py. Now tell me, if after if what happened? True or false? False. After if what happened? False. So whenever false is there, no permission. No permission to enter. Whenever the false is there, no permission. Will it run? Will it run? No. Then nothing. Nothing will be there. If it is no permission, then nothing will be there. Note on this. This is wrong case. This is false case. False case. Above one is what? True case. Above one is true case. Only simple logic. Condition is true, enter into the block. Condition is false, don't enter into the block. In that block, 1000 lines of code is there. If the condition is false, it will not run execute any line of code. Till now clear everyone? Good. Name equal to Python. If name equal to Python, you won. Can you please confirm the chat? Everyone is good till now. Please be proactive in the class, especially those who are online, because I'm not able to see your faces. I don't know where you're staying. Aja. Let's do one more thing. Name equal to Python that you are assigning. That you are assigning.
A plus B and A into B. It is false. Then also it is how values are assigned.
Because you already run, because 3 to 5, I'm saying 4 miss. This is 3. This is 5. That means 4 miss. 4 means you already run one time. That already assigned.
Not assigned, then
it will not come. So that's why you do one thing is A comma B where you displayed. This is displayed, right? You display here. This the issue is A already taken 10, B already taken 20, already run before this line. That's why it is taking. Whenever it is false, it's going to here. That is the issue. Now, if name equal to Python print on, or if this is false, this condition is false, then we'll write what condition ma? Else condition. What will write? Else. This is false means other one is true, right? So no need to provide the condition here. Here no need to provide condition. Else is not required any condition ma. If you are fail means otherwise what will happen? It will be false. So print of loss. Now these two cases. These two cases. Name equal to Python. If name equal to Python, print one. Otherwise what happen ma? It will be lost. Now check the condition. This condition is true or false? This condition is true or false? True. So I am giving the permission. So permission is there. Permission is there. So whenever the permission, what is there inside? 1. So answer is what? 1. Suppose this is true or false. It is a false. Whenever false is there, what is the permission is there? No permission. So I will not enter. So this block will useless. This block is useless. Immediately it will go to which block? Else block. Whatever you written in else. So I will the lost. Very simple. This is a true case. If this is false, it will go to this case. Simple. Understood easy? Yeah, note on this. Indentation should maintain ma. This is if block and this is else block. That's why I and E in the same alignment. I and E is the same alignment. Understood the blocks. This is completely a if block and this is completely a else block. So next, tell me of answer this. So print of hello, print of 10 and print of 10 and number 1 equal to eval of input of enter a number 1, enter a number 1 and number 2 equal to eval of input of enter a number 2 if number 1 equal to number 2, then print of the addition of number 1 and number 2 is dot format of number 1 comma number 2 comma number 1 plus number 2. Else the multiplication of number 1 into number 2. Print, this is true case. Print, we are doing addition operation. And print happy ending. The next print, this is false case. Print we are doing multiplication. Then subtraction equal to number 1 minus number 2. Print of subtraction number 1 minus number 2, that is subtraction. Print great. Yeah, note on this, ma. And tell me each and line by line answer in this. Note on this, and I want line by line answer. So we practice many days, right? This line by line. And this is the time to prove line by line answer. Line by line. So well concept I will explain now. After the class I will explain. Have you taken the recording videos? Utkarsh? Have you taken the recording videos? You miss means you are enrolled late or you are missed the classes. What is mean by missed means here? You enrolled late or you are missed the classes. When you enroll late, have you asked the recording videos to admin? Because you enroll late, right? Have you asked the recorded videos? I'm waiting for your reply, Utkarsh. Till Friday recording videos. Then till Friday means, I think we have done eval Friday, I think. Have you gone through that? Eval is not there? Okay. You need to take other recording videos also because you enroll late, right? Not class notes. You will take the recorded videos because you enroll late. Ask the admin to give the other recorded videos also. So after this class, I will explain about eval, okay? Thank you. Tell me the line by line answer. Show me your answer in the chat. What is your number one? Number one is 5 or 10? Show up. If number one is 5, you will get -5 is the answer. Then subtraction should be -5, right? How come 5? For typing. Not okay. It is correct. Because number one is 5, number two is 10, 5 minus 10 minus 5. Okay. The main exercise of this is you need to say step by step answer and as well as you need to understand the condition in this. Understand the condition. Let's tell me now. What is the first answer? What is the first answer, ma? Hello. What is the second answer? What is the third one? Number one equal to enter the number. Huh? Enter the number. Which number you want to provide? 50. Number two is what? Enter the number 2. Which number you want to provide? 60. Let 60. And then what is the next condition? If number 1 equal to number 2, that means 50 equal to 60. So computer, what you will understand computer? 50 equal to 60 means what? True or false? False. So it is a false case. Permission is there or not? Permission is there or not? No permission. No permission to enter inside the if block. So which block I need to choose directly? Else block. Which block? Else block. What is there in else block? What is there? This is false case. This is false case. And what is the next one is there? What is the next one is there? We have to do, we are doing multiplication. So we are doing multiplication. And what is the next answer? The multiplication of, right? The multiplication of 50, 60 is 3000. And next, what is there? Subtraction. Subtraction equal to how much? Minus 10. And what is that? Great. These all answers should come. If you provide 50 and 60. And this your mind should think step by step. Okay. First you need to think and then only you will get the answer. If anything you miss, that means you are not practicing well. If anything you miss in this, if you miss each and one line also, you are not practicing well. So that is the conclusion. So how many are good? Raise your hands. How many are not good? Don't say for sake of me, okay? So let's see. Number 1 is 50. Number 2 is 60. And that is the answer. See? Hello, 10. Number 1, 50, 60, false case, else block. We are doing multiplication. Suppose I am doing equal number, 50 and 50. Again, it will go to which block? If block. Again, it will go to which block? If block. Yeah. Very good. Do it. So my student should be in the position to think step by step. Okay, each and every line. He need to understand. If I give 100 lines also, each and every line output he need to say. Okay, that's why I'm from starting onwards, I'm tuning you like that. So because if tomorrow a new language will come, you don't need me. You can learn automatically. So that is the intention. Okay, step by step is very, very important. Yeah. Those who are completed, do one more task now. Write a program, ask the user, enter a number, find the number is even number or odd number. Find the number is even number or odd number. So what is the logic here? Even number means if you divide with 2, the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. Otherwise odd number. That's all. Otherwise odd number. If you divide the number, divide means which operator to get the remainder? In Python, to get the remainder, which operator will use? Modulo operator. In Python, modulus operator gives remainder. Find the number is even or odd number. Great. Yes. Very good. Very easy, ma. Very easy. First you are taking the number, and if condition number 1 percent L2 equal to 0. Correct. Now you come here. Suppose your number is 10. How to get the modulo operator on this? That is called modulus 2. And this is the remainder it will give. Whenever this remainder equal to 0, then what is the answer? If I ask you this, what is the answer? Double equal to means what? Condition. When I provide the condition to computer, what is the answer? True or false? Correct? This is true. Because this value is automatically what? It is a 0. It is a 0. 0 equal to 0. But instead of 0, what you are writing? 10 modulus 2. 10 modulus 2. Now instead of 10, now what is the generalized one here? Number. Number modulus 2. That number might be 11. It's a false. Is that number 12? Is that true? It is 13. False. So that is the logic. That is the logic. So now I'm entering the number 55. Now what is the next step? My year 55 is there. Now what is the year now? What comes here? 55 percentile 2 step by step is 0. If 55% to equal to 0 is true or false? False. So no permission. So directly I will go to else block. Else block. So it is a odd number. It is a odd number. Easy? Everyone done? It is very easy, ma. It is very easy. Now apply try and exception block on this. Apply try and exception here by try colon copy your entire code, paste here. While pasting, make sure that indentation should be matched. So to match the indentation, I am checking this, enter tab, and then accept exception as E, print E. Print E. Now enter 100, it is the even number. If I entered some number, not a number, if I entered Python, it will not work, right? Python will not, because Python is not a number. Python is not a number. So what is the error will come? Name Python is not defined. That is the error. So try and exception block. Every code you can implement in the try and exception block now onwards. Every code you can implement the try and exception block. That is a good practice. It is a good practice. Every code, normal code, try and exception block. Normal code, try and exception block. Good. Next, one more question. We can do reverse also this. We can do the reversely also. The same code ma, you can do reversely. Instead of equal to also, you can put not equal to. You can do reverse also. So not equal to means this is a not equal to symbol ma. Whenever it is not equal to means it should be which number? Even number or odd number? Odd number. So you need to change here as odd. Otherwise, which number? Even number. Or it is a even number. This is a not equal to. Other positive case or negative case. You can put equal to also fine. If you can put not equal to also fine. So that is equal to 201. 201 not equal to 0. Yes, is correct. This is odd number. And 200, it is a even number. Good. Next question. Now write a program. Get a random number. Get a random number between 1 to 50. 1 to 50 and check it is a even number or odd number. It is an even number or odd number. Get a random number now this time. Not user enter number. This time is which number ma? Random number. Get a random number. Paste your answers in the chat. That's it. Very good. Very good. Done. Same code ma. Same code. Nothing is different. Now only instead of number 1, this time what you need to take ma? From random. This value now you need to get random. Import random dot rand int of 1 comma 50. That's all. A random value will come. A random value will come and that will store in which variable ma? Number 1, and again number 1 will compare. If it is not equal to 0, then it's true case. It will enter here, otherwise it will enter here. So 11 is the odd number, 29 is even number, 1 is odd number, 20 is even number. Easy? Everyone able to do? Write a program. Get a random number. Get a random number between 1 to 200. Print you own if number between 10 to 99. Between 10 to 99. Otherwise print you lost. Yeah. Make sure that you need to implement try and exception block ma. The same code. Try. Copy the code. Keep here. And exception. Except exception as E and print E. Make sure every code should be in the try and exception block. Write a program, get a random number between 1 to 200. Print you own if number between 10 to 99. Otherwise print you lost. So between means you'll write and condition. Your number greater than 10 and number less than 99. That condition you need to write. So the condition is number greater than 10 and number less than 99. This is the condition you need to write. Greater than or equal to 10. It's okay, equal to or greater than. फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना. You want to write equal here. And condition you need to write. Same code. Yeah, that's all. Correct, Suresh. Yes. Very easy, ma it is. Same code. Only this time you need to give that number greater than or equal to 10 and number less than or equal to 99. Because between, right? Between means which condition you need to apply? And condition. And you need to apply. Everything is same format. Before this format is percentile to equal to 0. Now here number greater than or equal to 10 and less than 99. Between. Import random. Then your own, because 56 is between 10 and 99. Done, everyone? Easy? If you are facing any issues, please ask me, ma. Don't sit idle. Okay, idle is the biggest crime. Sitting idle is. Don't do the crime. Don't sit idle if you are not able to get. Please ask me. Don't sit idle. Shall we write in different ways? Like this. Ten less than or equal num less than 99. Sorry. 99 like this, or 10, 99 like this. Let's see this. This also will works, right? Instead of AND operator. Instead of AND operator, this also will works. Between, right? 10 less than number less than 99. Between. So this is 10 less than 70 less than 99. It's correct or wrong? It is correct. 70 is between 10 and 99. It is true. If I give 170, 170 is not between 10 and 99. It is a false. It is also will works. It also will works. So similar format, only the condition, the logic you need to think, the condition, what condition you want to provide. Once the condition is satisfied, it will enter into the if block and it will do whatever you give, right? Only the thing is what kind of condition you are providing. That is the only the logic. That is only the logic. Let's do one more thing. So this time is different thing, okay? Let's do that. Write a program. Ask the user, enter a number. If the number greater than or equal to 0, print it is a positive number. Otherwise print it is a negative number. Write a program, ask the user, enter a number. If the number greater than or equal to 0, print it is a positive number. Otherwise, print it is a negative number. If you are not able to do, please ask me, ma. From online, only 5 members are responding and remaining people are not at all responding. Archana Rayak, Nagarani, Bhairavi, Bhumika, Puneet, Soumya, Viranjanelu, Amja, Navadeep, Pravalika, Kumar, Mahender, Manasa, Monali. Obviously, no response today. Shriya, Priyanka, no response. Shankar Pradhan. Srikanth, no response. Sura, Venkatesh. Puneet Sai Reddy, no response today. Saturday class will be there. No holiday on Saturday. Don't sleep. Okay. Infosys Narayana Murthy saying work 70 hours per week. Okay. What is your thought on that? Working more hours is good or working productive hours is good? How come 70 hours is productive? No, right? 70 hours will never be productive. So that's why our world is divided. You need to work because you are a young blood, right? You need to work, but work should be in the productive. You have good food, good exercise, good sleep, and good work. You need to manage everything. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Government will make 4 days per a week in the next 5 years. Friday holiday, Saturday holiday, Sunday holiday. Enjoy the long weekend. But at the time, working hours will be 12 hours per day. Okay, 12 hours per day. Actually, after COVID also we are doing same thing, 12 hours per day, but no one is noticing that. In the name of work from home, every day is work only, every hour is work only. You need to do work. Whenever you have a free time, don't take the rest kind of thing. You take rest, but most of the time you do work only. Okay. So my suggestion is that make sure that productive works. Number equal to eval of input of enter a number. Same story. If number greater than or equal to 0, then print it is a positive number. It is a positive number. Else it is a negative number. Else it is a negative number. Yeah, enter 0, positive number. Enter -5, negative number. Enter 99, positive number. Same story, nothing is new in this. What is the new in this is, what happen if you ask how come 0 is a positive number? I want to make if it is a 0 is 0 only. Now my conditions is like this. Look at the board. My first condition is greater than 0 positive. Second condition is less than 0 negative. Third condition is equal to 0. I want to print 0. Okay. How many conditions? 3 conditions. Before how many conditions? 2 conditions. Either positive number, negative number. Whenever you have a 2 conditions, whenever we have two conditions, the concept is called if and else. Whenever we have more than two conditions, and the concept is called if, elif, else. If, elif, else. So first condition is if. So you write the condition, then colon. Second condition is elif. Again you reiterate the condition. And third is else. Automatically no need to require any condition. So else is always without condition. The above one is not true. Automatically it will go to which condition? Else. So no condition at else. If is condition is required, elif is condition is required. Remember that whenever you have more than two conditions, what is the logic, ma? If, elif, else. If, elif, else. Now do it now. Do it with these three. Try it. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. If, elif, else. If, elif, else.
వద్దులే
If, elif, else. You always should be in the pro what you are learning. Okay. If you are not in the pro, people will not pay you that much money. And you will afraid. One of my friend is there. Okay. Like one of my friend means he's a student. Okay. He's got the job in data science only Mindtree. He's 5 years he's staying in Mindtree. Okay, 5 years. Nowadays, who will stay 5 years in same company? Tell me, who will stay in same company 5 years? Tell me. There is a logic will be there. If the company is paying good amount of money, you can stay. If company is giving the knowledge, you can stay. If company is not giving the knowledge, if company is not giving the money, then don't stay in that company. He is afraid to switch the company. He is afraid to switch the company. That's why he's staying in the Mindtree only. Like TCS people, they will afraid to switch the company after 10 years. So you should be pro, whatever you are learning in that. I got one requirement. Python need to train from 9 to 4 and they're paying 2K per day. 2000 per day. 9 to 4. 9 to 4, 2000 per day. Who will go for that? That is because they thinking like that population is huge, jobs are less, people will come per hour. It is I thought per hour 2000 and mentioning that per day is 2000. I need to spend 6 hours. Per hour charge, I will minimum take 3000 to 4000 rupees per hour. Generally, I will take the charge that, but he is paying me per day is 2000. That is a funny thing. So then I realized you should be in the pro, then only you have some strength to deny that. So whatever you are learning, you should be in the pro. Make sure that. For that you need to work very hard, ma. Okay. Like Infosys Narayanamurthy said, make sure that at least 45 hours productive. 45 hours. Not 70 hours. So number 2 greater than 0, positive number is correct. Negative number is correct. And what is the last one is? 0. Let's give 0 is a 0 minus 10, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 is 10. Yeah, this is good. Everyone able to do only simple thing, ma. If condition is required, elif condition is required. If this is satisfied here, it will not execute this line. Correct? If your code will run here, it will not execute this here. If this is false, immediately it will go to which level, ma? Elif level. If is false, elif is false, directly it will go to which level? Else level. Step by step. Step by step. Let's do one more code. Write a program. Ask the user enter percentage of marks. Percentage of marks. If marks, percentage of marks greater than 90, then print A grade. Print A grade. If marks between percentage marks, not marks, ma percentage. If percentage between 70 to 90, print B. Print B. If percentage between 50 to 70, print C. Otherwise print D. How many conditions are there, ma? 4 condition means what is the answer now? Tell me. If elif, elif, and else. If, elif, elif, else. 4 conditions are there, right? First is if, next is elif, third is elif. If 3 are not satisfied, what is the remaining one? Else. If and elif both conditions will not true, ma, only one at one time. Now see here, look at the board here, Kumar. See here. When I 10 minus 10, which condition will satisfy, ma? This if condition will satisfy? No, right? Tell me, Kumar. I'm waiting for your answer. Then it will redirect to which, it will check the next level. First level is fail. First level is fail. Next condition is true. Next condition is what? True. So what it will print? It will enter inside the room and print it and will stop there only. It will stop there only. It will not execute next else. Else will not execute. Else will not execute. Understood? If and elif conditions will not both at a time will not true. Did you get it, Kumar? Yeah, do it. Done? Equal. You are putting equal. ఈక్వల్ ఈక్వల్ కదా ఎప్పుడు కావాల్సింది ఈక్వల్ ఎందుకు వస్తుంది ఈక్వల్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు అసేన్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకో ఈక్వల్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు అదేంటి దాన్ని సేవ్ చేస్తున్నావు అని అర్థం నువ్వు ఈక్వల్ ఈక్వల్ ఇస్తున్నావా కండిషన్ ఎలా ఇస్తున్నావు అనేది అంటే ఇక్కడ కాదని చెప్పేది జనరల్ గా ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ ఈక్వల్ అడుగుతుంది కదా ఇక్కడ అట్లా సో నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఏం కండిషన్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నావు అప్పుడు ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి ఈ నెంబర్ 1 సపోజ్ నెంబర్ 1 ఎంత అనుకుంటున్నావు జస్ట్ గివ్ ఎ ర్యాండమ్ నెంబర్ చెప్పు ఒక 71 అనుకో ఇప్పుడు 70కి 90 మధ్యలో 71 ఉంటే ఎలా రాస్తావు రాయడం ఎలా రాస్తావు 71 అనేది 70కి 90కి మధ్యలో 71 ఉంటే ఎలా రాస్తావు అలా రాస్తావు కదా ఇప్పుడు కండిషన్ కూడా అలాగే ఉండాలి కదా ఇక్కడ 71 అంటే ఎవరు ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి ఇక్కడ ఇది కరెక్ట్ ఇలా వస్తుంది లెస్ దెన్ ఇది కండిషన్ ఇక్కడ 71 అంటే ఎవరు? నంబర్. టుమారో 80, టుమారో 90 కదా. ఇది మధ్యలో ఉంటే అప్పుడు కదా వ్యాలిడ్ అన్నది. నువ్వేం చెక్ చేస్తున్నావు? 70కి 90కి మధ్యలో ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేస్తున్నావు. మధ్యలో ఉందా అంటే మధ్యలోనే ఉండాలి కదా కదా. అప్పుడు ఈ పక్కన ఉండదు కదా. అది కండిషన్, ఇది రాయాలి. అప్పుడు ఎలా రాస్తావు? రాయి రాయి కండిషన్ రాయి. ఎలా రాస్తావు ఇక్కడ? కండిషన్ రాయి. ఈ నెంబర్ 51 కదా. ఇక్కడ ఎంటర్ చేస్తావు కదా, అది వచ్చి ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ అయింది కదా. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఇంకా? ఇది రాంగ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నువ్వు ఇది ఎందుకు ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నావు? నువ్వు ఈక్వల్ చేయొద్దు ఫస్ట్. ఈ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుందా? అక్కడ కండిషనర్ రాయాలి. మరి ఇంకేం రాయాలి? కండిషనర్ రాయాలి అక్కడ. ఇది ఓకే, ఇది కండిషన్. ఇక్కడ ఏం కండిషన్ రాస్తావు? ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ కండిషన్? కండిషన్ చెప్పు. ఇక్కడ ఉండాలా ఉందా లేదా అని అడుగుతాను, అది రాయి. 71 అంటే ఎవరు అక్కడ? అది రాయి. నెంబరా నెంబర్ 1? అది కండిషన్. కోలన్ కోలన్. అలా కండిషన్. ఇది కండిషన్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు రంజయ్ కొట్టు. అంతే. ప్రింట్ సి 51. ప్రింట్ సి కాదు, నువ్వు ప్రింట్ చేయాల్సింది గ్రేడ్ ఏ, గ్రేడ్ బి, గ్రేడ్ సి. ఒక సి అంటే గ్రేడ్ సియా? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి రంజయ్. ఏ గ్రేడ్ అవి రాయాలి. అర్థమైంది? ఇప్పుడు ఎలా రాయాలి కండిషన్? ఈక్వల్ చేయొద్దు నువ్వు. ఈక్వల్ అంటే ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. ఈక్వల్ అంటే ఏంటి? అసైన్ చేయడం. డబల్ ఈక్వల్ అంటే, కానీ ఇక్కడ డబల్ ఈక్వల్ అవసరం లేదు కదా. నీ కండిషన్ ఏంటి? ఇది మధ్యలో ఉందా లేదా అనేది కండిషన్. అదే కదా మనం క్లియర్గా రాసినాం ఇక్కడ. బిట్వీన్ 70 to 90 అంటే నువ్వు అది మాడిఫై చేసుకోవాలి నువ్వు నీ ఆలోచన పరంగా. డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ నేను ఇవ్వలేను కదా. Done. How many are completed? What about here? No one is raising hands. Done or not done? Are you saying for me? No, right? How many are writing like this? So greater than 90 and 70 to 90. Okay. A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade. How many are written like this? Raise your hands. How many are written like this? Between 70. Are you right like this or what? Are you writing and conditions? Percentage less than 70 and percentage greater than 90 like that. So whoever write like this is correct, but this is not good approach. Okay, let's do this. This is the correct only, but this is not a good approach. The good approach is like this, ma. Percentage greater than or equal to 70. Now let's see here. Everyone look at the screen, ma. You need to write like this. First percentage greater than equal to 90, print A grade, and percentage greater than 70, print B grade. You need to write, and percentage greater than equal to 50, then C grade, otherwise D grade. You are writing and conditions between conditions, right? So you should not allow to write like that here in this situation. Why? Because you see, suppose my grade is how much, ma? My grade is how much? 92. My grade is how much? 92. First case is pass or fail. True or false? True. First case is true. Second case is 70 greater than. Why you are saying false? 92 greater than 90. Correct or wrong? True. And second case is what? 92 greater than 70. True or false? True. But Python is a step-by-step process. First it will check this process. It is true. The code immediately stop here only. The code immediately stop here only. Even though the next condition is true also, it will not check. Understood? Are you getting point? Everyone here? Here this 92 is first condition is true. Second condition is also true. But Python is a step-by-step process. If first condition is true, immediately the code will stop here only. It will not check the here. So that's why this is the way correct to write the answer. If you write the between, what happened? It is correct. I'm not denying, but this is not a quality of code. Because ELIF automatically giving the answer to you, right? ELIF is automatically giving. Suppose you are providing 82. Tell me, first one is what? 82 greater than 90. True or false? It is false. And second case is what? Second case is 82 greater than 70. True or false? True. And what is the third case? 82 greater than 50. True or false? True. But Python is which process? So it will stop here only. It will stop here only. Second condition only will stop. Third condition will not execute. Any of first condition is false. It will also not execute. So like that you need to think. Understood? Not always between, not always and. So like this also you need to write the code. Understood everyone? Yeah, note down this. If you write like this better, then automatically redirect to else case, sir. No, not 50. 50 is the C grade. If you write 49, then it will go to the D grade. Okay? Because it's greater than or equal to 50. Give me 1 minute. I have need to check my class time. Next. Do this. Write a program. Ask the user. Enter age. Enter age. If age greater than 60, print is a senior citizen. SC. If age between 45 to 60 is like aged. If age between 30 to 45, the middle aged, MA. If age between 20 to 30 is a young. If age less than age between 13 to 20, 19, 13 to 20, okay, teenage. Otherwise, He is a child. Do this. And I need this approach, okay? Not between means, not and nothing. I need this approach. How many conditions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 conditions. So if, elif, 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 and else. If, elif, 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 else, right? 6 conditions. Now do that. Every day I'm posting mega class notes. You are not getting? Every day I'm posting the class notes. You people need to check properly, okay? You need to go to here. Okay, once look at the screen, my everyone. Some people are not checking properly. Your 9 a.m. batch, right? So come to the class work. When you click on this, these are the all the topics. In this, where is the topics will be there? Python basic classroom notes. Okay, you need to click on this. When you click on the classroom notes, again there are two cases will be available. One is PDF format, and another one is which format, ma? IPYNB format. So every day I will post. Now, what is the last class? Try and exception. Before class, what is that? Recap. Before one, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything will be there here. You need to look very, very carefully. You will not get the notification. Again, I'm repeating, guys. You will not get the notification for the old folders. If I create any new folder, then only you will get the notification. If this folder is already created, right? So this you will not get the notification. But all the class notes are uploaded every day. Okay. All the class notes will uploaded every day. Sometimes what happen, I might be busy, it might be delay. Okay. So, but I will upload every day. Don't worry about that. Most probably by 12 o'clock only I will upload. Hey, Utkarsh, you are getting eval concept, right? Now, that's it. This is correct. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Don't look at the board. Then you take the recording videos and you can go through that now once. Once if you're not able to get, again I will spend some time with Utkarsh. Because the problem is what happened. Actually, my schedule is full pack. I have one more class is at 2 to 3:30. Okay. And tomorrow I have classes from 9 to 2 o'clock. All 3 classes non-stop. My schedule is little pack. So I hope you understood. And after Again, I have evening one more class. After 2 to 3:30 class, again 7 o'clock is one more class. In between, in the weekends, right? In between, I need to manage. I need to go to one of my relative house today. In between. So today is a completely, I was busy today and tomorrow. And tomorrow 9 to 2 o'clock I have a class. And after 2 o'clock, I will have one nice biryani and I will sleep. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. 57 ఏజ్ అయింది 50 ఏజ్డేనా ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చావు నువ్వు ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు ఈక్వల్ టు ఇక్కడ 45 to 60 పెట్టావు నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఓకేనా మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ 30 to 50 పెట్టక 45 పెట్టాలి ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఎంత పెట్టాలి 45 పెట్టాలి కదా 57 వస్తుంది ఏజ్డే కదా
20-30 years build చేస్తాం
30 చేయలేదు ఎందుకు వస్తుంది బికాస్ 30 అనేది నీకు ఎప్పటికీ ఈక్వల్ అవ్వలేదు ఎందుకంటే 45 to 60 పెట్టినావు 20 to 30 పెట్టినావు ఈక్వల్ టు 30 పెట్టలేదు నువ్వు అర్థమైందా ఇది లెస్ దెన్ కదా 30 అనేది ఈ కండిషన్ చూద్దాం ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ 30 ఈక్వల్ 60 అవుతుందా కాదు 45 6 to 30 ఉందా 30 to 45 లో 30 ఉందా 30 ఉందా నువ్వు ఫీల్ అవుతాను కానీ పైథాన్ ఫీల్ అవ్వట్లేదు ఎందుకు ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు లెస్ దెన్ రాసినావు ఈక్వల్ టు రాయలేదు అర్థమైందా 30 ఇలా రాసుకో 30 లెస్ దెన్ 30 45 వస్తుంది అదే నువ్వు ఈక్వల్ టు పెట్టావు అనుకో వస్తుంది నువ్వు ఈక్వల్ టు పెట్టలేదు ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ పెట్టలేదు ఇక్కడ కూడా ఈక్వల్ పెట్టలేదు సో వీళ్ళని ఆ కేటగిరీలో కలపలేదు ఈ కేటగిరీలో కలపలేదు ఈ కేటగిరీలో లేదు లాస్ట్కి వస్తుంది చైల్డ్ వస్తుంది అండ్ ఇలా రాయద్దు నువ్వు ఇలా రాయమని చెప్పినా కదా నువ్వు నేను చెప్పింది నోట్ చేసుకోలేదు నువ్వు ఇలా రాయొద్దు డైరెక్ట్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 60 అయిపోయిందిగా గ్రేటర్ ఈక్వల్ 45 ఇచ్చాయి 30 ఇచ్చాయి 20 ఇచ్చాయి 13 ఇచ్చాయి అలా వస్తుంది అలా చేయొద్దు చూడు బోర్డు మీద ఉంది చూడు ఎంటర్ ఏ పర్సెంట్ ఓనా
about to error आया है 1147 लाइन तो ट्राई कैसे आप बता सकते हैं
फाइंड एक्सेप्शन
जैसे ट्राई में अगर पता करना है कौन सी लाइन पे एरर है तो
कौन सा लाइन एरर तो you need to use other packages some packages you need to use there are some packages called import system package import system import traceback so these packages we need to learn okay logger so I will teach these packages then you will get the line number also now in the trend exception you will not get but if you use that packages you will get tomorrow is Sunday no class okay Sunday no class remember that Sunday no class you should write like this how many have written like this raise your hands you are good very good yeah that's all today and I will review this your assignments and I will make the comments okay make sure that check your comment section here I will review all the assignments maybe tomorrow evening suppose I will write the comments like this suppose I am opening here Abhinav Patnaik is there in the class raise your hand there so here the comment section is there right I will add the comments here so check that I will check the code and add the comment first code is correct suppose this the round off is not there here I will mention here round off is required like this so that he need to understand whenever the points is coming round off I need to add Understood, ma? So check the comments. Check your comment section. Yeah, remaining everything is looks like good. And today I will upload one more assignment. Assignment 2. That is almost 10 questions will be available. I will just show the questions. Assignment 2, ma. So the 10 questions, ma. 1, 2, 3, 10 questions will be available. These are also basic questions only. Basic questions. These 10 questions you need to do. Yeah, we can submit the assignment today. No problem. If you give age equal to 150, what happen age equal to 150? That is not possible. So try to change it, no? So what is the maximum age you want to provide? 100? What is the maximum age you want to provide? 100, right? Like this. If more than 100, mar gaya. Okay. Not possible. Do like this. Okay. And one more thing you write here. Elif, one more case. That you are asking me how to write. Huh? Friend, do one more thing. SC. If more than 500 years, Bhagavan ho jayega. Write that. Whatever you want, you can write it, no? That is. Yeah. So I will upload one more assignment today. These are 10 questions. And what the timeline I should not give here? This 10 questions. 3 days is enough. 3 days. No, not enough. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, Tuesday. Tuesday is the submission date. 4 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday night. Tuesday midnight, 12 o'clock. Submission is 4 days I am giving. Good case. Mar gaya. Thank you so much, ma'am. I hope you learned something today. See you on Monday. Thank you.